Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to use the Paylocity app. So right here, as you can see, I have the mobile app. So we are going to try if we can access this application. You just have to download the application from Play Store or App Store. Okay, and then after that, you'll be able to see this section once you install the app. So here, you just have to input your company ID, your username, and then your password, and then you just have to sign in. Okay, so you can actually sign up for an account because you have to sign in using your company ID. Okay, so if you're a new user, you can register as well. Now, what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you the products of the Velocity if you will be able to have your company ID, okay, and your company is using this tool. So right here, let's visit the website and go to the products. So we have for the HR, the finance, the IT, and then the platform. So starting off with the HR, so we are going to discuss first the payroll. Okay, and then we have the time and labor, benefits administration, employee experience, the talents, the global payroll, the human resource. So let's go to the payroll. Okay, so this one. Okay, so here for the payroll, you can customize your setup. You can set up your general ledger mapping. You can review and process the payroll in a few clicks. You can reduce the manual data entry. You can ensure your paycheck accuracy. You can connect to other systems, ease tax compliance, and manage a global workforce. Okay, so this is the features right here. So this is a sample. Okay, now let's proceed to the next product. Okay, so let's go to the time and labor. Okay, now for the time and labor right here, so let's scroll down. As you can see right here, for the attendance, time and attendance, more time, less labor. For the scheduling, you can build smarter staffing plans with the AI-driven shift recommendation and tools to put the right people in the right place at the right time. So features like shift swapping and open shift claiming give your team flexibility and seamless communication. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next product. Okay, so we have other products here as well on the HR. Now let's proceed to the finance. So we have expense management, corporate cards, AB automation, guided procurement, headcount planning, accounting automation, spend analytics, fraud detection, policy compliance, and vendor management. Now let's start with the expense management. That's right. So we have effortless expense reporting for employee. We have clear and consistent policies. Simplify corporate card expenses. So we have Visa and MasterCard right here. Advanced mileage reimbursement. A detailed audit trail of every expense. And then the level up your travel management for a full T&E experience. Okay, next let's proceed to the finance again and go to the accounting automation. Okay, so this one is under the capabilities. Okay, so here you can automate code and close with confidence. So we have physical card settings and then the virtual card settings. Next, we have the deep general ledger integrations. Okay, and then here we have auto categorization for this one. We also have here the amortization. That's right. Next one, we have an audit trail of every expense. And then, of course, automate the manual work, simplify reconciliation, and save time. Okay, so we can automated approval workflows, intelligent reset matching, automatic syncing to the GL, auto categorization, amortization, and increase accuracy. Now let's proceed to the IT. Okay, that's right. Okay, so now let's proceed to the IT section. So for the products, we have asset management, access management, identify access management, and aligning HR and IT. So let's start with the asset management. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds right here. So for the asset management features, organize and track the employee devices. All right. Then you can automate the employee hardware requests. That's right. And restock with an integrated asset store. Okay, so we also have here related resources. Next one, Let's go back here in the IT section and for the access management. Okay, now for the access management, it unifies the HR and the IT. Now for HR leaders, manual provisioning might delay new hire onboarding and burdens IT with setting up email and server tools. For IT, managing access is labor intensive and prone to errors, risking security and compliance. Now, how access management works. Okay, so here for step one, Paylocity employee record created, employees synced to the Active Directory, and access granted to key software systems. So that's for the access management features. Now let's proceed to the identity access management. Okay, so let's go back to the IT products and go to the identify access management. Okay, so for the identity access management, we have this articles right here and information, so you just have to read it. Now for the platform, we have this one. Okay, now for the capabilities, we have AI, mobile integrations, workforce analytics, and workflows. So for the AI, okay, let's just click on this one. That's right. So AI that drives value, not hype. So here we have the engagement drivers, and we also have the other information with the use of the AI. Okay, so we have automation, insight, and assistance from the AI. So AI woven through the platform, personalized to you. So automated intelligence scheduling, instant support and personalized guidance, benefits enrollment made easy, and then touchless expense report. We also have the playbook for stronger retention, an edge in recruiting and hiring. We also have here related tips that we can apply. Next one, let's go back to the platform and proceed to the integration or mobile. So let's just go to the mobile. Okay, so here for the mobile, you can manage the requests on the go. You can always stay on top of schedules, bring your team together anywhere, get onboarding tasks completed quickly, and drive your employee development. Okay, so here are the examples. So Paylocity, like what I show you in the beginning of this video, you can actually download the application. And then from there, you can access all of the information and bring your team together anywhere. But of course, you have to get your company ID first so you can access the application. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.